Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today we'll see how to set up the BYOD in your Mahindra ESUV. BYOD means bring your own device. As you know, the BE6 gets 2 screens, whereas the XEV 9e and the 9S get 3 screens each. But you can connect more screens and attach them on the back of your headrest here and here. The BYOD setup can be done on any Android tab or mobile device or iOS as well. So the first step is to download the Me4U app in the device which you want to connect. So as you can see, I have this here. I will first install the Me4U app. So this is the app. It's the same Me4U as the one we use in our mobile. So I'll just download this. Now you've probably observed that the Me4U app can only be logged in on one device. So we're logging in here, log it out of my mobile. No, that's not the case. For the BYOD to work, you need not log in with your mobile number. We'll see that in just a second. Now in the meantime that is installing, you need to go to the settings of your car. So you go to all, the same thing, scroll down, go to settings. Here you need to go to connectivity, and in Wi-Fi hotspot, enable the hotspot of your car and also turn on in-car experience via mobile app. So now in-car experience via mobile app has been turned on. You can see the name of the car's hotspot here, and you can also see the password of the hotspot. Your password will probably be some random numbers here, but I have changed the password to this. You can change the password to anything and then just click done, and that will be the new password. If you're logging in with something that has QR code scanning in it, so our mobile phones have the ability to scan a QR code, you can just click here and then you'll be able to scan the QR code to connect the hotspot. Now I'll just wait for the app to install and then we'll move forward. If you're somewhere that does not have Wi-Fi and you want to download the app, just remember that you can use this hotspot to download the app as well. This hotspot has proper internet connectivity, and this is actually the internet that you use when you're watching movies or series in the car apps. So now the app is installed. You just open it. It'll ask you for location access. You can allow it. So after opening the app, you can see that it asks me to enter the registered mobile number or in-car experience. This is where I actually messed it up completely. You have to allow this, otherwise it doesn't work. You'll see that please make sure that you're connected to your car's hotspot and in-car experience is enabled. Now we just enabled in-car experience. The next step is to actually connect hotspot. So you just open the Wi-Fi settings. In the Wi-Fi settings, you will see the same network, which is here, Mahindra ESUV. You click here and just enter that password to connect this. So if you also keep seeing this error that please make sure you're connected to your hotspot, car's hotspot, what you need to do is that this device should not be connected via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. To disable that, you'll need to turn off Bluetooth, turn on Wi-Fi. Now it will see that, now it will show you. So after doing all of that stuff where you download the app and now in-car experience via mobile app is turned on and the hotspot is also turned on, it was actually my mistake. So what you need to do, if you're also getting the same error, if you're also getting that please retry and that thing wala error, what you need to do is you go in the Me4U apps settings where it's asking for various access. So for location, I have given while using access, and so basically the access that you need to give is local networks access should be turned on. Without this access being turned on, the BYOD thing will not work. It was actually my mistake, not the car's glitch. So after doing that, you just open the Me4U app. My iPad is connected to the car's hotspot. Here the in-car experience via mobile app, as I said, is turned on. Then you go to in-car experience and here you see. Now this has various things. First of all, you can adjust. You can see the fan is increasing. So I'll just reduce it to 1. You can click this. This opens further settings. You can turn off climate control entirely. It turns off. You can turn off just the AC, turn on the AC, rear AC, the internal recirculation, this AC on your feet and thing, and you can increase the fan and stuff. Then you can go here and you can click on screen mirror. Now the content is basically ready to play. Now if I go here, then vehicle app, media and entertainment, sorry, fun and work, and let's say YouTube. I'll just play some no copyright thing. So now here, and you can just click here and you can individually play stuff like this. You can access YouTube. You can access YouTube individually. I'll just pause that. You can play anything from here individually. Close the player. Then you can go here, screen mirror. And now I'll just play that. So the screen mirror is for some reason not working there, even though that is working here, it is not. If I play this, so that it's still glitchy, but I mean you can work with it. So this is basically the BYOD. It does not have too many things. Yes, you can play all of anything basically. Various things, audio, this games. So these are basically all the apps that you have in the screen as well. Then you can go to home. Alexa will be able to play stuff. So when you close the player, you'll go back to the climate control settings. So guys, this was how to set up the BYOD in your Mahindra ESUV. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Until next time, drive safe and have a happy journey.